Hello friends, in this video we are going to install a MySQL database on Windows 11 machine. So for a clean machine I had taken Azure VM. It is Windows 11 virtual machine. So let's get started doing it. So for installation first I'm going to a web browser and searching for MySQL uh, MySQL download for Windows 11. So here we got this from Copilot link we got. If we come down, we'll be having this dev.mysql.coms. So let's look into this application. So here we have two versions. So I'll be using Windows x86 32-bit MSI installer. Actually, it's same. It works both for 32-bit and 64-bit, so we can use it. So let me click to download. Yeah, it will ask for community download login. We can use no thanks. Just to start my download. So as you can see, download is almost done. Once the download is completed, we'll run it. As you can see, it is done. So open file, and it is preparing to install. Uh, in this, we are going to install a full version, and we'll see if it there is any. Actually, it will ask for a redistributable this C++ to be installed, because by default it doesn't come on Azure virtual machine. So that will be one thing, and when it comes we'll see. I'll do it on real time. I won't pause it or edit it. Whatever it is I'm getting, I'll let it be as is, so that whoever is doing and following this video along, they could know like what challenges they may get. And it is a clean machine, so yeah. So I'm selecting full. So next, and here it asks for a redistributable. So for these products it is required, so it is required for all of them. So any of that, if we do and execute, it is installing. So it will install this. Yeah, you can see I agree to license terms and condition and install. So it is installed successful. So close. Now you can see this requirement is fulfilled for all the products. So here, and now it will install. So it will install all the products, server, workbench, cell, router, documentations, and samples and examples also all will be installed. So execute. So it is executing, and you can see here one by one it will install each of it. And it is an Azure virtual machine, so it is running very fast, as you can see here. I believe in couple of minutes, like everything will be done. I can pause it, and I can continue like once it is done. But for this video, like I don't want to do that. the server was completed very quickly, but this workbench is taking time. And as it is installing, I just want to talk to you people who are watching and came this far. Please suggest like whatever you feel. You can comment out like whatever good you liked, whatever bad you didn't like, and any improvement, any suggestions you want to give. Please do it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. For you, it will not cost you anything, but for me, it will be a lot. It will keep me motivated for doing and creating the stuff for you. So it's 86% and it is okay, it's complete. So now it is MySQL cell is installing. I believe it should be quick. Sometimes I don't know why how this progress percent works. Like initially till 56% it was quick. Now it is very slow. And as we have seen in Workbench when it was 85, and after that 85 it didn't count. It just completed 62%. It is taking too much time and video will become lengthy. I'll just stop the recording and yeah. Hi. Now all these install is complete. As you can see, it didn't took much time. It just took 1 minute after that. And next. So these products are ready for configure. Next. And here it is asking, I'll keep all of this as is, but this port is important. If in your machine, if this 3306 is already used by some other application, you may need to change some other port. I'm keeping it as is. And for authentication, use a strong password encryption for authentication. So I'm going with that. And by default, the root account is root username. So I'm giving a strong password for this. And here 9 and retype the password. Next. Now you can see it will ask yes, grant uh, full access. Next. And it will write the configuration. It is doing it. And it is saying initializing database may take longer, but it is done. So starting the server, and once it is done, it will ask for to and you can see everything is done. Next. So here it asks for a connect to server, so I can give my password and check if the connection is working. You can see here connection succeeded, so connection is working. So next, execute. So all the configuration will be applied with this and finish. And now as you can see here, installation complete, and it says it will start with MySQL Workbench and start MySQL cell after startup setup. So this will start, and Workbench is a UI application which helps us to connect with MySQL database. So as you can see here, the Workbench is uh, open, and if I expand it and scroll it a bit, you can see here local instance MySQL 80, so we can connect with that. So it asks for password, so I'll give my password and save password in vault. So yeah, now we are connected to MySQL. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment, and any other things you want to see in future, uh, just uh, just give those comments out. It will help me a lot. Thank you.